Hello guys, this is Jerome again with another video, and this one is about an IT support or assistance that I rendered to one of my colleagues at work today, and I thought to do a video about it so I can show you in case you have similar problem and don't know the solution. So it was a simple issue that he had because he has a 14.3 gigabyte USB flash drive to which he wanted to transfer a video file that is about 8 gig or 7.15 gig to be precise. But when he tried to send the file to the flash drive, he got the message saying the file is too large for the destination file system. So he tried to be smart by verifying if the USB drive has enough free space that is equal to or more than the size of the video file that he wanted to transfer. So he checked the drive properties and saw that he had enough free space larger than the size of the video file that he wanted to transfer. Then he tried the copy and paste method to be very sure that he was copying the file to the actual USB drive that he wanted to transfer the file to, and he got the same error. Then he checked the video file properties also to verify that the video file is not larger than the free space on the USB flash drive, and he saw that the video file is actually smaller in size than the free space on the USB flash drive. So he thought there was a problem with the USB flash drive, so he decided to reformat the drive, but leaving all the default options as he normally do when formatting his USB drives. After formatting the drive, he tried to send the video file again, but got the same message that the video file is too large for the destination file system. That was when he gave up and decided to ask for my assistance. When he explained to me what he wanted to do and the error message he got in the process, I knew exactly what the solution was. All I did was to reformat the drive into another file system. By default, USB flash drives are formatted into the FAT32 file system. The advantage of this FAT32 file system is that the drive is readable and writable on any operating system. For example, you can copy files to and from the drive on a Windows computer, a Mac OS computer, or even Linux OS computer, and also mobile phones that have OTG support. So FAT32 is like a universal file system that is the default for USB flash drives. But the disadvantage of this file system is that it cannot accept a file that is more than 4 GB in size. You can send any amount of files up to the total storage capacity of the flash drive, but each individual file cannot be more than 4 GB in size. So to transfer a single file that is more than 4 GB to the USB flash drive that is in the FAT32 format, you have to change the format of file system to either NTFS or exFAT. But NTFS format will allow you to read and write to the drive only on a Windows computer and cannot write or copy files to the drive on a Mac OS computer. So choosing NTFS can resolve the issue since it can allow you copy larger files but only from a Windows computer. With the exFAT format, you can also read and write larger files to the USB flash drive from different operating systems. So if you are working between Windows and Mac OS, for example, it is better to choose the exFAT format since it will allow you to copy larger files to the drive from any of the operating systems. So I chose exFAT and started the format. And after changing the file system, he was now able to copy the video file to the USB flash drive successfully. Now I'm going to do the same on a Mac OS computer. So I'll press the Command and spacebar keys on the keyboard to do a spotlight search of Disk Utility. In Disk Utility, I'll select the USB drive and then click on Erase. I'll rename the drive to any name I want to give it. Then I'll expand the format choose exFAT, and then erase.